Set up 9-night pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People lost.
Welcome guys, Creamball back again in a reaction video. Today we react to something very spectacular. You see me, this is a combination, I come like it's a Marvel combination. So we have Will.i.am, Lady Leshurr, Lioness, Miss Banks. You see me? Pretty Little Things. That's why I have be a star in this, you see me? So this probably got epic. You see me? Because a couple of my favorite girls in this, and Will.i.am, that bad rapper too, you see me? So while I jump in there, I don't want to talk too long, I just want to go straight into that video, you see me? So begin now.
Yeah, UK in this bitch.
Pumba! Be a bad girl like this in the youth.
She a pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing.
Be a bad UK bad girl like this youth.
Pretty little thing, pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing.
Yeah.
Pretty little thing, pretty little thing.
I'm not a pretty little thing, I'm a problem. Run through your city with my team, that's a squad them. Man moving nitty when I ring, how I got them. Yeah, sell a dream, then we drop them. Bodysuit, logo, dark skin, little highlight, glow up. You know my thing, living life, I show stop. So now they want.
Yo, I'm not telling them, I love hear them the UK female rapper them, bro. Them bad narrati do the dog. Big man thing, them bad narrati. Them fight us on epic.
Trap, but no sir. Realist, half of these guys don't know what peas is. Believe that every day you'll catch me rolling with 2K up on my chest, babe. I mean it. And I don't mean the game, but you can check me, see it. I know you did. There's no limit to where I go with it. I'm owning it, so I leave them more cross than my rosary. Could only be they're opposing me because they're supposed to be levels, but they can't get close to me. So over, be.
She a pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing.
Yo, can't better say Lady Leshurr come up next. My girl, like,
Pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing.
Lady Leshurr, I'm responsible.
She a pretty little thing. Pretty little thing.
They be coming for the kid, cause they got
Bangs.
it better. Don't even sweat her. MB, I do it better. Hitters say I'm too cold, like I'm under the weather. In some Nikes, but you can't even check her. They be talking about the place, need to stay in your place and not on my face. When you know you ain't setting pace. In the jungle, never move with a rat or a snake. Original taste. Let the others copy and paste.
I mean,
I do my thing, I get it in. Hella talk, where you at? Drop a pin. Big stats, brother, I don't do thin. Bust it down, Tatiana, make it bling. Rolling with some real shooters, you ain't messing with him. Playing with me, you don't know.
Yo, them girls are murder, but we never expect nothing less, bro. Can't have them girls up on one track and nothing happen. Yo, I'm telling them, man.
Kind of trouble you in. Real bad chick, pretty little thing. Money calling, only time I hear the phone ring.
She a pretty little thing.
Yo,
She a pretty little
princess
thing.
I can't no.
She a pretty little thing.
Lady
Pretty
Leshurr.
little thing, pretty little thing. She a pretty
Lady
little
Leshurr
thing.
come right now.
She a
Let's
pretty
get
little
her.
thing. She a
Yo, bring
pretty
her in,
little
man.
thing.
Bring her in, man. What's she there? What's she there?
Me on my pretty little thing, what your man said. He want a bit of discipline, take your chances. No, set the floors lit like a lantern. And I still
Watch out, man. Lady Leshurr.
present the rum absent, trust me. Raise pretty, that's because I said
What you
so.
mean?
Chocolate skin, but they look like cocoa.
Yes, she say chocolate skin. Yo, chocolate is a good thing, you know. Chocolate, favorite dessert.
Me love my body, and yes, it's natural. Me don't have to wear tight top dress for it to show stop. Take out the guitar and leave the drums playing. Came back like I forgot, setting them halfway. Went to the motherland, I went so far away. Kenya, kitchen to bar, seeing the mountains. Level it out, I got a vendetta. All of these girls, I got a agenda. Losing them down just like an umbrella. And you know, see me better than them. Yeah.
Up to them. Be a bad girl and I want song to blow. UK.
She a pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing.
She a pretty little thing.
Pretty little thing.
Pretty little thing.
She a pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing. She a pretty little thing.
Pretty little thing. Yo, not gonna lie. That's why I love it, bro. I love it. But I know I say it to that bad, bro. If I have Lady Leshurr, Miss Banks, to tell the truth, I don't know who Lioness is. But she do it for her part. Rapid, bro. I like how she just come in with that rough voice and kill it, bro. You see me? The female artists in the UK, I think them better than American. Like, when I mean better, I mean like, them more rough. Them have more rough singing than them. More rough rapping, you see me? So, yo, them girl are bad dog. I'm not telling you, I really enjoy that song and the song is tough. I don't know my favorite girl them in the I don't know if you see me, them never disappoint me yet. You see me? And Will.i.am big up yourself, you do your thing too, you see me? Even though you're not saying enough, but you do a look pretty little thing, you see me? So anyway guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Remember, like, share and subscribe and click the notification bells anytime I post a video to get it. You see me? Remember to do that for me. Out.